They're getting a lot of eggs. It's a big stash. Look, get him, get him.
No.
There's one right there.
This is too easy for a little eagle eye.
We're going to see some head-to-head combat now.
I will get the blue. Daddy, I was lost.
Did you do a good job hiding them this year?
A little bit. Not all the way. Not all the way because we have it.
Yeah.
I need a bigger one. I need a bigger one.
Here you go.
Oh, Daddy! 2, please!
You need some help getting that out? Oh, good work. All right, Quentin, you're ready. That's your reserve. That's
You guys need 2 baskets.
That's your strategic reserve.
I think I should have 2 baskets.
Well, we'll just leave that one there. You don't want to run around with 2 baskets.
Well, I need...
Just leave the white one right here.
I see one!
Well, no, it's yours. Here, now go. All right, go, guys, go. Let's see what's...
David, don't take any of those in.
No, we won't. We'll just leave those there.
Tippy toe, tippy toe.
Oh, good job, Xavier.
So I might be the winner today. Daddy, I'll give you a secret.
Okay.
Let me just... I'll just sneak past them and then I can get all of them.
Oh, yeah. Quentin's deploying speed.
I wish the houses they have elevators.
That'd be better, right?
Yes, I don't have to go upstairs and other stuff. Where do you think Hannah is? Maybe she's inside? Come on, give me someone.